Good morning, children. Now I will explain for you class 5th unit 2 the 4 operation of the large numbers. In previous classes also we have learned, no children, 4 operation of large number: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In this class also you have to learn, children. Now we have to go to exercise 1.1. Exercise 1 we have to do, children. In that, first, to find the sum of the following is there. I will explain for you one sum, remaining sums all you have to write, children. If you have any doubt, call to me. Otherwise, come to school. I will clear your doubt, children. Okay. Now we have to copy the question. First, third question I will copy on the board. You copy this one. See properly, listen carefully, and first whatever number you are copying, first you have to read, children. Properly you have to read. Okay. Then only you will understand how to do. See this one. See ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, and 10 lakh is there. 20 lakhs, 18,653. First numbers all. And second row, what there is? Ones, tens, 100. Only 3 digits are there. This 305 we have to add, and again this we have to read. 46,708. This also we have to add, and this is 3,62,183, children. Okay, we have to read, and this is row is there. We column wise we have to copy the questions properly. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Period we have to write, and after we have to write in ones place what number is there. Arrange properly each number, children. Then only we are getting addition properly. Otherwise you will miss the number. You will get the wrong answer. That's why first you have to arrange the numbers properly. In what is there in ones place, all you have to write in the ones place only. This ones place, this is ones place, this is one place, this one. All in one row you have to write, children. Okay. In tens place we have to write what number is there. 100 we have to arrange properly, and 1000 we have to arrange, 10,000 we have to arrange, and lakh and 10 lakh properly have to arrange the number. Then only we will get the answer correct. Okay. Now we will arrange the numbers. See, 3 ones place 3. 10s place is 5, 100 place is 6, and 1000 place is 8, and 10,000 place is 1, and lakh place is 0, and 10 lakh place is 2. We have to write, children. Okay, again 5, 0, and 3 we have to arrange. Then 1s place 8, this one, 10s place is 0, 7, 6, and 4. Then 3, 8, 1, 2, 6, 3. Properly have to arrange, and then we have to do the addition, children. In ones row, what number is there? 3, 5, 8, 3 is there. We have to add, children. Which is the big number that you have to take? 8 is the big number, then you add it. This 8 plus 3, 11 you will get. 11 plus 5, 16 you will get. 16 plus 3, 19 you will get. No, children? 1 you have to take the carry, and 9 you have to write, children. Now in tens place we have to go move, then that also we have to add. Then which is the big number that you have to take? 8 is the big number, then add it 1, 9 you will get. 9 plus 5 you will get 14, children. 1 carry you have to keep, and 4 you have to write in the tens place. Now we will move for 100 place. 100 which is the big number you have to add. 7 plus 1 you will take 8. 8 will get 11 plus 3 you have to 8. 11 you will get. 11 plus 1 12. 12 plus 6 18, children. Okay. 18 you also count slowly and do it. Okay. 1 carry and 8 you have to do. 1000 plus we have to add, children. This which number is big? 8. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 6 15 you will happen. 15 plus 2 you will get the 17. 17 1 carry, and 7 you have to write, children. And now you have to move for 10,000 place. Then 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 1 11. 11 plus 1 12. 1 carry and 2. This 3 plus 1 4 you will get, and remaining 10 lakhs 2. Like this you have to do the addition, children. Okay. And more sums are there. All you have to practice, children. Properly you have to copy each digits in place value is most important. Then you write the answer, children. Okay, over. Now we will move for second bit. Find the difference. Find the difference means subtraction, children. In previous classes also we learn subtraction how to do, that we have to follow, children. Okay, then first you have to copy. I am copying third question. You have five questions. I will copy third one. In remaining all you have to practice, children. If you are not great, call to me, otherwise come to school. I will clear your doubt, children. Okay, now read the third question. I will copy. You read the question first. See, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Crore place you have all. 2 crores, 32 lakhs, 34,235. Now subtract to what number this is? See, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 2 crore, 31 lakhs, 24,125 is there. Subtract to this number to this number, children. Now we have to arrange properly. Ones place, tens place, 100,000 place, 10,000 place, lakh place, 10 lakh place, and crore place. All the digits we have to arrange, children. Arrange, and we have to do the subtraction. Subtraction, take out the numbers. See, 5 minus 1, 0 you will get. 3 minus 2, 1 you will get. 2 minus 1, 1 you will get. 4 minus 4, 0 you will get. 3 minus 2, 1 you will get. 2 minus 1, 1 you will get. 3 minus 3, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Then like that only you have. If you are not going to subtract, you have to borrow, children. Borrow, then you will get the 1. Then you have to do the subtraction, children. Okay, are you understood, children? Okay, now we will move for third bit. Answer the following. The following is the numbers of teachers working at different level in country. Then primary level this much teachers, and upper primary level this much teachers, and higher school level this, and higher secondary level teachers this much, and all we have to do the addition, children. All properly have to word problem sums, children. Previous classes I explained for solution we have to write, and primary level teachers number you have to write, upper primary level teachers number you have to write, then high school level number you have to write, and higher secondary level number you have to all properly like this. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, like that you have to arrange it, and total number of teacher. Last what you have to write? Total number of teachers, and add, children, you will get the answer. Okay, now next sum also like that only. A person spent the following amount for construction a house for his family. One house he want to construct it, then all whatever material you want, all is there. Cost of plot is that number they gave, that you have to write, and cost of construction how much they take, that also number is the rupees is there, that you have to write, and drainage, electrification, all we have to write rupees, and other expenditure all you have to write what their total expenditure. Lastly we have to write total expenditure, and you have to do the add, you will get the answer, children. Okay, that also very easy for you. And now third sum, what is there? The population of the city, that I will explain for you, subtraction sums. And one more also, fourth sum also is there, that also you have to do, children. Okay, same this method only, one I will explain for you. You have to practice for fourth one. Okay, now third, population of a city in the year 1991 was 23,64,589. The population of the same city in the year 2001 was 39,20,199. Then what they are asking question? What is the increase in population? How much population increase in between 91 year to 2001 year? We have to do the subtraction, children. First solution we have to write. Total population in 2001 how much, children? 39,20,199. That you have to write. And number of population in 1991 how much? Then 23,64,589. Now number of population increase they are asking, that you have to do subtraction, children. Okay. Now 9 minus 9, 0 you will get. 9 minus 8, 8, 1 you will get. Then 1 is not subtracted to 5. Then you borrow the next number. 0 is there. 0 is not giving. Then again you have to borrow the friend number. That what is their friend number? 2. 2 will cut. 1 you will return with this 1. You have to send here 10 it will happen. This 10 you have to send this number. Then 11 it will happen. This is the 9. Then 11 minus 5 you have to do. Then you will get the 6. And 9 minus 4 you will get the 5. Then 1 is not subtracted to 6. Then again you have to borrow, children. 11 it will happen. 11 minus 6 you will get 5. Then 8 minus 3 will get 5. And 3 minus 2 will get 1, children. Okay, how much population is increased in 2000 to 2001? Okay, children, 15 lakhs. 55,610 population is increased in the year of 2001, children. Okay, last sum also. The annual expenditure of the company 5 years back was this much. Then the year of annual expenditure of rupees this much, children. What is the increase? Same, this step only we have to do, children. Okay, are you understood, children? If you have any doubt, call to me. Otherwise, come to school. I will explain for you, children. Next class we will meet. Thank you, children.